Industry 4.0 is the target vision for the manufacturing industry. And in order to get there, we need to make machines more connected. And how do we do that? Today's manufacturing environment is very heterogeneous. We have different software tools, we have different machine equipment, and all of those machines and softwares need to communicate fluently with each other in order to make them connected. Here at ModuleWorks, we offer tools for data provisioning that make 3D geometries efficiently available upstream and downstream. By using this open format, you can quickly transfer data between different software systems and have full interoperability between ModuleWorks products.